Yo. Muffler delete today? It's a GoPro, yo. Damn, that startup though. Come on, B.
I know, but I gave you 50 last time for the resonator, and it took like 10 minutes.
We need to put a hoops.
I gave you 50 last time. I gave you 50 to put a straight pipe.
Give me 35. Give me 35.
I got 31. How about that?
Next time.
I would have spotted you the 5, but fuck it. That was some haggling shit.
You like that, right?
Yeah, I like that, yo. His only sounds like that because he has no cats. Nigga did at $31.
I was gonna use that one for another time.
Fuck it. People in the comments were like, yo, do a muffler delete. Now they're getting what they want, yo.
That was ripping. So going back.
You made him break his blade. Yo, keep these coilovers, yo. That ass.
Look at this trend, though.
You're looking for wheels, right? All right, anybody on YouTube got wheels for this nigga? Help him out, yo. He needs wheels ASAP.
For the low.
That ass, for the low. He could throw in his wheels and cash on top. Anything nice. Nah. It's gonna look alright. Yo, you heard that? Yo, you fucking heard that, yo? Oh shit. Yo, I'm weak.
You got it.
You good, B? Yo, you heard that startup? That just sounded good.
Yo, said,
I'm surprised, yo. That shit that sounded good as fuck.
See?
Oh shit.
I'm hyped.
I'm hyped too. That shit that sounded good.
Yo, that's mad loud.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my fucking god!
Yeah, put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.
You heard that?
Let's go. Oh!
Oh! Let's get this money, yo!
My mouth's gonna get tight. I love it. I fucking love it. Oh shit.
Yo! I was not expecting that.
It sounds a lot better than I thought it was gonna sound.
I told you it was gonna sound good. I didn't expect that backfire though. You get more backfire when it's gonna be in drive. Yo, I'm fucking.
You went.
Shit, yo. People on YouTube are gonna be like, look at these fucking pussy ass motherfuckers. What'd they expect? Get in the right lane. You can go straight from here.
That shit revs you when I turn.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell on the GoPro, but you can tell by our voices, yo, that shit that sounds good. Everyone in the comments can be like, look at this rice, look at this shit.
Suck my dick.
That is. Fuck. I was not expecting that.
Yo, it sounds a lot better than I thought it was gonna.
I know, right?
Nah, it sounds better when you're like driving,
Yeah.
not when you like first start.
Anyway. Yo, we got 1.4 thousand subscribers now. Like, I don't know how that happened.
That was fresh.
So, thanks to everybody who subscribed. I don't know how the fuck we got 1,400. That honestly beats me.
I want to hear this shit.
You're right.
If this was stick, that sounds fire. Alright, when we get to your house, I want you to rev it for me.
Alright.
Oh, fuck off.
Alright, first legitimate highway pull without the muffler. Still pretty quiet. Like when you hit VTEC, it's still quiet.
Good, I didn't want it to be that fucking loud.
Yeah. I was expecting like a higher pitch when you hit VTEC.
What the fuck is this?
Everyone gotta get on that LIE.